Here's how to fix SteamVR Error 301, working through the 3 most effective fixes in order. Start by running Steam as administrator. Press the Windows key, search for Steam, right-click it, and select Open File Location. Right-click the Steam exe, go to Properties, then Compatibility. Check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Error 301 is often a permissions issue, and this alone resolves it for many users. Next, verify your SteamVR files. Open Steam, go to Library, and find SteamVR. Right-click it, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Tool Files. SteamVR updates frequently, and corrupted or missing files from a partial update are a common cause of this error. Verification repairs them automatically. If the error persists, clear your Steam download cache. Click Steam in the top left, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will log you out and restart. Sign back in and relaunch SteamVR. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.